Byron and Carrie, and we're here at 393 James River Road in Lewisburg, West Virginia in the Sweetgrass subdivision. And we want to show you around this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath home that's currently listed for $529,000. So I will take it away from Byron. So we've done a few videos on Sweetgrass. If you haven't seen those yet, you can see our drive-through of the neighborhood. But these are your immediate neighbors. This home is situated in the cul-de-sac, so there's a nice green space right in front. And then you have a 2-car garage there, which has nice access. This home has a beautiful front facade with the stacked stone and the siding there. Very well landscaped, and the backyard is nice as well, which we'll show you, of course. So we're gonna head inside. Thank you, Byron. So right when you walk in, it's a grand entrance first, for sure. I had a little accent come out there, Byron. So when you go up, it has huge tall ceilings here in the living room. As you can see, it is open concept. I will swing around here to the dining area. So this is immediately on your right-hand side as you come into the home. Of course, if you don't need it for formal dining, you can use it for a lot of different ways. It has a gas fireplace. And one feature that I like about this gas fireplace is that it's slightly elevated. So when you're sitting in a couch or a chair, it's more at your eye level. Then it has these nice shutters on all the windows for privacy. And then look at this kitchen. Byron looks like a chef just standing in there.
I feel like a chef, very high-paid chef.
A very high-paid chef. Yes, so it has this wonderful island here with storage around. One of the features I like about the island is the detailing here, how it is notched out on the edges. So it's not, a standard shape. There's nice stainless steel appliances. Has a great workflow here with the sink in the island, dishwasher in the island, and then it goes out to that back patio, which I guess we'll go ahead and see now. Very tall cabinets. So as we go out, look at this view. It's the Trek style decking, which is, no to low maintenance. It's a very windy day here, sorry. But as you can see, it's a nice flat yard in the back. Now the yard, it's surveyed, so it doesn't go to that whole green space. About where that little tree is there is about the property line. And in the distance there is farmland. And as you may have heard me say before, the best farm to have to see is one you don't have to take care of, but you can enjoy. So it's a good one. Yes. So as you can see, there's all these nice details like the shutters on the door there. As well, coming back inside, a great place for cookbooks or display here. So we will head in straight off the kitchen. There's nice tile flooring here. That's a stone look. Your washer and dryer are right here for easy access. And then you have a guest powder bath here. This home is one of our newer constructed homes for our area. So it has a lot of those nice updates that we get with newer homes. Of course, here is your 2-car garage. And then there is space in front there, as you can see, bookshelves for additional space. If you were to park 2 cars in here, you still have some additional space. Nice and convenient. Walk right in to the kitchen. There is a pantry as well, or enjoy the living space. So we will go across the hall here to the first floor primary bedroom. So if you need 1-level living, you have this option here. This, of course, is the bedroom with the hardwood floors. Bathroom here with nice double vanity. Has nice contemporary fixtures, and then a beautiful soaking tub with the tile surround. It is really deep And some jets there. And then when you walk on through, there's of course the toiletry, and then here is the walk-in shower. Glass front, and then there is a nice large closet. It's right off the bathroom. It does have its own doors, so it's private. There's ample space to move around as you're in here. Very convenient for getting ready for your day. And look at that beautiful window that you have in your primary bedroom. One other detail that I like, they have all these custom light switches. Each one of them are different and they're beautiful. Just for your reference, is just a closet. If you're wondering what that is, it's under the stairs. Another good perspective of the open concept living area. We're gonna head on upstairs. There's nice railing details. And then one feature I would love if I was a kid is this catwalk. It does have nice tall railings if you do have a child, but it's a fun feature. It overlooks the entryway and then it looks down into the living room kitchen area. So you can really see the scale of this ceiling. We still have several feet above us. We're already up here. So now we'll head into the second bedroom. This bedroom does have carpet. It's painted in a nice tan gray color. Has open shelving, as you can see there. And then a nice size walk-in closet for a secondary bedroom. As you can see, nice size room. Okay, now we're head into the guest bath. So it has a single vanity, but there's lots of space on both sides. It does have a closet and this nice stone tile work and a nice deep tub. I'm surprised Byron hasn't made a comment about the tub yet. He loves a good deep tub.
Yeah, that's, well, that one's so deep it needs to be a little shorter for me.
All right, and there's a look at the vanity. Lots of nice storage there. Okay, so then we're gonna go into what is a bonus room. This is on the upper level. Tons of ways, of course, as always, you can use it. If you needed a playroom, a home office, a lounge, Byron golf simulator.
Yeah, it's almost tall enough.
Yeah. Nice, beautiful hardwood floors. And you have the beautiful view, if you can see that, of the mountains in the distance there and the farmland. So we're gonna keep on going here. And we're gonna head to the last and final bedroom. So this is the smallest of the 3 bedrooms, but ample space for a double bed and dresser still. And it still has a nice size closet walk-in should you need it, and it overlooks the back of the home. So again, beautiful views all around in this home. Even though you're in a neighborhood, you don't have that like direct neighborhood feel. You have lots of nice views all around you. So if you love this beautiful property to become yours, just let us know. Otherwise, like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.